the topic for today in our Sangpo organs is liver functions. Okay. Um, it ensures smooth flow of qi, stores blood and regulates its volume, controls the sinus, opens at the eyes, manifests in the nails, houses ethereal soul or hun. Emotion of liver is anger and frustration. Okay? Yan po ang functions. So let's tackle one by one. Liver ensures smooth flow of qi. Each organ has a certain direction of activity. Qi of spleen flows upward. Qi of lungs and stomach flows downward. Okay? Liver ensures smooth movement of qi in all directions, ensuring normal mental and emotional activity. Is also secretion of bile. Maganda siya kapag normal. Okay? If liver's function of free coursing is impaired, it leads to stagnation of liver qi. Stagnant liver qi can attack other organs and reverse their natural flow of qi. Remember yung mga flow, okay? If liver invades the stomach qi ascends and down-bearing function of stomach is disturbed. So magkakaroon ng heartburn, nausea, and vomiting. Okay? Yung healthy spleen and stomach function rely on free coursing action of the liver. Qi of the spleen bears upward and qi of the stomach bears downward. Okay? Yan po yung function nila. Liver governs harmonious flow of emotions. Pagka na-impair yung function na to, magkakaroon ng emotional disturbances and magkakaroon ng mental depression. Okay? Liver plays a role in harmonious relations of human being and its environment. Person is able to adequately respond to situations. Okay? Pag healthy ang liver. If liver function is impaired, human being loses this ability to react adequately. Overacting may occur. Impairment of liver qi dynamic can affect emotional activity. Okay? Emotional disturbance may similarly affect qi dynamic. This reciprocal relationship is often seen in TCM. Certain situations in our lives that we do not like but endure can create emotional tension. So, nagkakaroon ng disturbance of liver qi. Okay? Tensions, yung muscular or emotional, it can result in liver qi stagnation. So, magkakaroon ng irritability, frustration, mental depression. Okay? Organs most affected by emotional disturbances are liver and heart. Okay? Yung dalawang organ na yan. Sometimes, it is difficult to differentiate if emotional disturbance are caused by liver qi stagnation or by heart fire. Signs can be interpreted by practitioner as emotional tension or inner unrest. So remember, okay? Analyze mabuti. It is important to diagnose correctly in order to treat the root of emotional disturbances. The liver isn't always the only organ involved. Insecurity or dissatisfaction can be cause for emotional tension too, which means that kidney and spleen are involved as well. Okay? Treatment principle, kapag mayroong walang smooth flow of qi, movement of liver qi, tonification of kidneys and spleen. Yan po yung gagawin yung treatment. Okay, hanapin po ang points. So, liver ensures harmony of menstruation. Yan, sa menstruation, dyan siya. The two liver functions are involved in menstruation. Yung harmonious flow of qi and regulation of blood volume. Okay. Liver blood is responsible for quantity and strength of menstrual bleeding. If liver blood is deficient, menstrual bleeding is scanty. Kukunti lang. Okay? If liver blood stagnates naman, Menstrual bleeding is dark, including the clots. If there is heat in the blood naman, movement is reckless and blood is driven out of vessels. So nagkakaroon ng bleeding disorders, yung abnormal uterine bleeding. Okay? Uh, if the free flow of qi is impaired, signs like breast tenderness and irritability associated with premenstrual syndrome or the PMS will appear. Okay? So another function, liver stores blood and regulates its volume. Liver is able to retain blood and regulate amount of blood in the body. Amount of blood in various parts of the body varies according to physiological needs. Okay? During physical activity, blood is distributed throughout the body, meeting increased need for nutrients. When body is at rest or asleep, blood flows back to the liver to be stored. Okay? When liver's blood storing function is disturbed, example niyan yung blood deficiency, amount of blood is reduced and there is not enough blood in the body to supply all the needs. Okay? Blood deficiency, yun yung kulang na ng dugo, manifest as numbness and tingling in the extremities. These sensations are likely to be first noticed at night or when resting, since the amount of blood is even more reduced during rest and in inactivity. Okay? Other signs include blurred vision and vertigo due to inability to supply blood to the brain quickly enough when changing position. Okay?